Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in KuCoin mobile app. If you're using the KuCoin mobile app and want to switch between light mode, dark mode or system default theme, this quick tutorial will guide you through every step. First of all, launch open KuCoin application on your Android or iOS and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of KuCoin, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. Now, on the next page, scroll down and click on Settings. Under Settings, select Theme. Now choose from the light or the dark theme option from the pop-up. If you tap on the dark theme, it'll immediately change your display to a darker color. You can go ahead and select between dark or light, or if you want, you can also tap on the device default option. Whenever you change your device's display to a dark theme, this will also apply to the KuCoin app if you choose the device default option. So there you have it. That is how you can easily change your theme in KuCoin. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.